Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. I personally love having a clean car, and if you do too, then I would highly recommend trying out this cordless car vacuum cleaner from KJBAO. This cleaner has multiple tools that really allow you to clean up those pesky crumbs in your seats and on the floor of your car. The first thing that impressed me about this vacuum is how small and lightweight it is. It's really compact and easily fits in your glove box or anywhere small that you need to hide it. There are 3 modes of power overall: high, medium, and low. And I have to say the suction's also really good. It picks up crumbs and dirt no problem. And I also love that I can use it indoors all around my house. There's an option on this tool to use it as a duster as well. So with reversing the suction, it really helps to clear out some of that extra dust in smaller areas. The vacuum comes with HEPA filters, which are washable, so you can reuse them if needed. We all need a great little vacuum that's handy and does well in small spaces. Then I would recommend this cordless car vacuum cleaner from KJBAO. And that's my point of view.